All right, hello scientists. This is going to be a quick review of the first questions rubric. So thank you for clicking this link so you know what you need to do. Just a quick note, if you did not attempt or did not um, uh, describe an element or anything like that, you're just going to be in this box over here on the right that receives 0 points for each one of these elements on the left. For attempting the flip grid at all, you'll receive 1 point. Okay, when we start talking about our adaptation for this question, you'll receive 1 point for describing an adaptation in a selected organism. To receive 2 points, you'll have to describe the adaptation and explain its advantage. And then for 3 points, you will need to describe the adaptation, explain its advantage, and explain the new difference in fitness and how the adapted organism is more fit. For vocab, if you use one of the vocab words up here on the left, you'll receive 1 point. If you use two of the vocabulary words, you'll receive 2 points. And if you use all three of the vocabulary words from the left, then you'll receive all 3 points. Thank you for reviewing the rubric with me, and good luck on your summative.